Why reverse floor plan might be the best layout. When buying a home, do you automatically assume bedrooms belong upstairs? Interestingly, seasoned luxury homeowners prefer having their primary bedrooms on the lower level. Here is why: our bodies naturally sync with daylight and activity cycles. During the day, you want expansive, sun-drenched spaces for cooking, dining, and entertaining. Leaving the brightest, highest floor for public living areas perfectly aligns with how we actually live. At night, you want a quiet, private, and cool sleep environment. Since heat rises and cool air sinks, downstairs bedrooms are naturally a few degrees cooler, ensuring a much deeper sleep. Plus, moving bedrooms downstairs completely frees up the upper level. It allows for dramatic double-height ceilings, vaulted roofs, and romantic skylights. If bedrooms are upstairs, you lose all of those architectural possibilities. While this specific home already has incredibly high ceilings and abundant light upstairs, this layout showcases a space designed truly around human wellness.